Hello everyone, welcome to another thrilling episode of the Professor's World. Today we're diving into the marvelous world of chemistry with the National Geographic Cool Reactions Science and Play Chemistry Kit. Let's not blow anything up, like I did last time. Oh boy, good thing I have insurance on this place. Heard when I caught the lab on fire the other day. Oh no, my lab is on fire! Everyone panic! Or like that time I split an atom. Oops. As you must know, my insurance costs are through the roof. So we will have to be extra careful for this experiment.
Super genius.
All right, young chemists, who is ready to unbox this STEM kit? Oh wow, look at all this stuff. This is going to be so much fun. Oops, sorry. This is what's inside the box. We have sodium bicarbonate, citric acid, red cabbage powder, pH paper, sponges, cups, measuring scoops, a spray bottle, a pipette, and even a colorless crayon. Everything a young chemist needs to whip up some magical reactions. Shall we begin our experiment? Guess what? I have exciting news. I have a couple brave participants that will aid me in the experiment. This experiment contains toxic chemicals and must be done with an adult. Let's create a color-changing reaction that will turn our solution a brilliant red. First, let's add some water into the plastic cup. Then let's add some red cabbage powder. Wait a second. Why is it purple? Why is it not red? Well, that's because the fluid's pH level is alkaline. In order to turn it red, we need to make it acidic. Don't worry, it's not rocket science, dude. We just need to add some citric acid. First, let's add some water for the base. Let's add some citric acid to the water. Careful. Perfect. Now let's add the citric acid to the red cabbage solution, using the pipette. Let's add a few more drops. Oh wow, it's changing its color to red. Very cool. Now let's turn the purple solution to blue. Add some water, then more red cabbage powder. Stir it up, and add the solution using the pipette, which includes sodium bicarbonate, which is just a fancy word for baking soda. Anyway, the solution is now blue, which means it's still alkaline. Now let's give our brave participants an applause for their assistance. Now we know the pH levels of the two substances. What would happen if we mixed the two together?
Hey, Blue, want to be friends?
Sure, Red. Sounds great.
Whoa!
Wow!
As you can see, the two substances change color to a fizzy purple. Very neat. When baking soda and citric acid mix together, they throw a bubbly party and create water, sodium citrate, and carbon dioxide. It's the carbon dioxide that makes everything foam and fizz like a soda gone wild. This reaction is truly the life of the lab party. It's bubbling with excitement. Okay, we took that one way too far. But seriously, look at that backflip. Don't act like you aren't impressed. And remember, young scientists, this kit isn't just for today. You can do these experiments over and over, share them with friends, and become a master of chemical reactions. Plus, every kit you use helps support the National Geographic Society in their mission to explore and protect our planet. How cool is that? Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the Professor's World. Also, don't forget to order your very own copy of the Cool Reactions Chemistry Kit at thinkstretch.com. I put a link in the description of the video. Okay, let's party.